This is a view from 288 metres looking directly down at the house. Then we swing around and have a look at the top of Mount Wolvi, where our three neighbours live along the top of the mountain. That's the last house that was built on the mountain. And as you look back along there, along the tree line is our fence boundary. Hello and welcome back to camp. Today we've taken the drone high into the sky and we're looking over all the property there, all our pastures, and up towards the mountain, and we'll fly along the ridge of the mountain having a look at the properties, and you'll be able to see Mount Wolvi Road as we go. As we swing around there, we're looking at the west with Gympie 23 k's away. There's a small acreage development there. It runs on Sunshine Road. And as we come around there, at first pasture, there's a burn pile, can be seen. That's our fifth pasture. We can see the radio antennas there in the distance on top of Mount Wolvi, and the road is called Mount Wolvi Road with the three properties running along. And as I said earlier, this is the latest house that was built up on top of the mountain. We can just see that house from down on our pastures. So Samson Lookout is right at the very top of that point there. We're about 12 k's from the coast. So right now we'll just take a fly back down to the house. It's in about the centre of the screen there. And the bottom of the screen there is the fifth pasture. You can see a burn pile in the middle. And then we come to the fourth pasture. Then into the second pasture. And then finally you'll see the first pasture. and the yards in the old house, they'll start to show. You can see our driveway there now, up to our front gate. We're 1 kilometre from Noosa Vale Road. It's an interesting property, 217 acres or 88 hectares. It's 100 acres of pastures, and we run 25 breeding cattle, 1 bull. At the moment we have 13 calves on the ground. The house was built in 2019. It's 4 garages, 8 bedrooms, 2 kitchens, 3 bathrooms, 2 laundries. It's a big house. It's owned by Jane's mum and us. And we have Jane's brothers there living there as well. We'll just swing around now up towards the mountain. It's not a high mountain, but it's a fairly steep climb. That's our first pasture there, swinging around. And you'll see that first dam come into view. It's behind the house there. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now.